Hi guys, welcome. So today I'm going to start with a true story which happened with one of my friends. She went for her first interview. Everything was going very well until she was asked this question, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? She literally froze because she was not prepared. But then after some time she said, 5 years from now I see myself getting married and having 2 kids. Though it is funny, but then there is a sad ending to this story, which is she did not get selected. You want to know why? Let's jump in. Here's the truth. This is a trick question. Why? Because recruiters want to identify and eliminate the candidates who are not fit for the role. So we'll cover 4 things in this video. What not to say while answering this question, what interviewers want, what to actually say while answering this question, and 3 sample answers. So let's talk about what not to say while answering this question. Number 1, I don't know. Number 2, I see myself as 5 years older. Number 3, I see myself getting married and having kids. Number 4, I want to be the CEO or director of the company. You should not say this because it doesn't sound realistic. Number 5, you should not say that I want to be sitting in your place. Number 6, you should not say that I want to do my own business or pursue my higher education. Number 7, you should not be very specific about the designation or the salary. For example, you should not say that I want to be a senior manager or a general manager with a salary of $15,000 a month. Why? Because in this company, this might not be practically possible in 5 years. Now let's talk about what recruiters actually want. We need to understand that hiring is really time-consuming and expensive process for the company. Hence, recruiters are looking for someone who is committed and will stick to this company and the job for a long term. They want a candidate who is really excited for this job and not someone who is just looking for a temporary solution to their unemployment. Now let's talk about what to actually say while answering this question. 5 years is a very long time, and no one can be sure about what will happen in this time. Recruiters also understand this, and they're not looking for a very specific answer from you. However, you need to talk about 2 things. 1, that you want to learn and grow in this company. Second, that you want to build a long-term career here. Now I'll share 3 sample answers with you, which are suitable for 3 different situations. You can have a look and decide where you fit in. The first is a general answer which can be used by anyone. I'm looking for a company where I can grow professionally over the next 5 years and beyond. I'm not really stuck up on titles, but I want to get more team responsibilities as I progress over time. I want to work with a company where I can build a long-term career. Now the second sample answer is for a situation where you already know someone who is working in the company and who is a very good performer. In the next 5 years, I want to be working for a company where I can continuously develop my skills, take on challenging projects, and learn from the best people around me. I know some very smart and intelligent people who work here, and hence I want to build my career here. The third sample answer is for a situation where you're applying for a big company and you're already aware that you might get a chance to work in different teams and projects. 5 years from now, my objective is to be much smarter at marketing than what I am today. Getting a chance to work for this company will help me achieve this goal because of the flexibility of working in different teams. This is what really excites me, as I'll have the opportunity to learn from the best people in the industry. Hence, I look forward to build my career here. Great! Now we have seen some of the best ways to answer the question, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? I really wish that you get your dream job soon. If you found the video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some other ways to answer this question, I would love to hear it from you in the comment section below. Till then, take care and be safe.